All right, welcome to the recap to the already done outlook and plan for the day. Starting with ES, we had this ballast area we were talking about, and I had one zone, only one zone on ES. That was not a perfect zone because of this point of control here and this balance composite, but this was the only zone. It was the high or value area high where volume dropped off here. When we look at these two balances, they could be merged on a TPO chart. This is today's profile, so you can ignore this, but it also played in this range. And yeah, this is also the 13-day composite where we can also see this low volume node. So this was basically the high of the range that we wanted to either get broken, as we can see now, or primarily for a short scenario that we did not get, and I will show you why. But first, let's look at NQ, because NQ had a lot more to offer today. What we can see here is what I told you. I told you about these two scenarios. First one, short. Here I talked about the balance leading into this balance, not leaving any space, which means that we have a range from here all the way down here to short through potentially. But also what I said is that I will potentially look for a breakout and continuation. And after I was recording the video where I said this, we can see that we built a new balance up here. And when I drew this exactly for the day, for previous day, we can see that we have our value area high right here, and we have this low volume node matching with this low volume node and with this low volume node on the composite. Also matching with this low and this low volume node or high value area, whatever you want to call it. So if we look at this entire profile, this is our key area, because from here, if we test this, we can break out and shift value higher, or we already did before, but we can also re-accept this range below, and then we are planning a short from here all the way down here, because we have this big balance. So this was a beautiful long. I also took a short before. This zone was there already too when I recorded the last video. There was a short zone. And let's go into the smaller time frame on NQ, since there was nothing on ES. When we opened, obviously I did not get an entry here because I didn't limit order. So we sold up without me. Then we had a really, really choppy price action, but I managed to get short here on this sweep, and yeah, brought it down here. But sadly, I have to say I left some in hope that we will see a breakthrough and accepting this balance down here, because this would have been a massive short then. So I got those stuck at break even. But yeah, here we can see the long setup. For other accounts, we saw a lot of selling into this level, and we just started to shift the momentum from sharp down moves to sharp long moves while absorbing sellers, which I really liked. We can also see that the buying did never really stop, and here we saw that shift in momentum that, yeah, got me to shift from short to long. And yeah, that's how it went. Obviously, this was way too late. We got there at like 10:50, which is too late for me. I want to be completely done at 11 a.m. And obviously, I already had trades that day. So yeah, nothing there for me. And that's it basically. I think it was a good day. I did not like the job, but that is pretty normal. We are in a week without news. without any red golden news. So let's see what we will see tomorrow. I will do a recap tomorrow too, when I trade at least, and yeah, that's it.